For this demonstration, I'll show you how to make a custom map on Google Maps and how to label it. First, we want to make sure that we are in Google Maps and that we're logged into our account. So when we make our map, it'll save to our account. You can see I've logged into my Google account here. So first thing we'll do is click on the menu in the top left. We then want to select Your Places and click on the Maps tab. At the very bottom, below all the maps that you've already saved, you can select Create Map. This will pull up a new window where you'll begin creating your custom map. First of all, let's label it and save that. We can then move around the map as much as we want to and drop as many markers as we would like. Let's go here. Since we're focused on Norse trade routes, our toolbar is up here and we want to add marker. Then we can drop our marker wherever we would like and label it. Save that. Let's drop one more marker here, the island of Lindisfarne. There it is. Select and label. For this lesson, we'll also need to use lines. Next to your Add Marker button, we can also select the Draw a Line. So we'll click that. Default will be a line. We can move that across water. So we select our starting point and we can move our line wherever we need to. We can also create waypoints, move around if we need to move around islands or land masses. Select and stop. Now we want our lines to stop, so instead of continuing, we'll go back to the circle and click it again. We've now ended our line and we can label it. And that is how you'll make your map today. Thank you for watching.